In this video, we'll show you how to install the ink tanks. Open the top cover. Don't touch the ink tank holder until it stops completely. Now, let's prepare the ink tanks. Peel off the protective tape and be careful not to leave any residue on the Y-shaped air hole. Next, gently remove the orange cap. Be careful not to touch these parts of the ink tank. Now, let's install the ink tanks. Match the label on the ink tank with the label on the ink tank holder. Insert the ink tank at an angle. Then push down until you hear a click. The color of the installed ink tank will appear on the screen. Continue installing the ink tanks for the remaining colors. Check that all the colors appear on the screen. Close the top cover. Be sure to lift the cover first to unlock the hinge. Not doing so may damage the printer. The ink tank installation is now complete. For more videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.